Yo. Okay, everybody, I am coming to you from my mom's bathroom. This is my mom, Candy, and I'm Tara. I'm the owner of Amelia Gray. We are going to do our evening skincare for you guys, and just to really show a couple of our favorite products to you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wash our face. I am using the Face Reality Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser because I am perimenopausal. I get a little bit of breakout. My skin's dehydrated mostly, but getting a little bit drier. But I do still deal with a little bit of hormonal breakout. And my mom is using the Moisture Positive Cleanser from BioElements. It is a richer cleanser. Neither one of these are going to foam up, and they both kind of look like a lotion, but mine feels more like a lotion gel combo, whereas hers feels like a little bit more emollient lotion. So we're just going to go ahead and cleanse, and you're going to go along on the ride with us while we wash our face. And notice mom's going in with hers dry. I'm adding just a little bit of water to my product, and then we want to massage in for like a good minute. Think of washing your face the same as brushing your teeth. And normally we would do a double cleanse if we have on makeup, or even at the end of like daytime if we've got sunscreen on. If you're cleansing in the morning, you can just go in with a singular cleanse. You don't have to wash your face twice in the morning. It is a good idea to wash in the morning because we get a little sweaty at nighttime. Your pillowcase can have bacteria, and it just is laying like a good foundation for the rest of your skincare. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water to mine. And then notice I'm really getting right in there. I haven't made a cleansing video in a while, so really right in there. You can see the skin starts to pink up just a little bit. I'm using fingertips only, and I need to get around my jaw just like a little bit because I get a little grody texture under there.
Okay.
You good?
I'm ready to rinse.
Go ahead and rinse. So Candy is ready to rinse because I've been yapping. Shocked that I've been yapping.
I use a washcloth.
Candy uses a washcloth. I'm going to use one today just so I don't fling water all over her bathroom.
Thank you.
Her bathroom is much cleaner than mine at my house. I'm usually fighting boy
Children.
beard hair and kid toothpaste and
The children.
And
the big child.
the big child. So you could use a disposable washcloth here. You could use, I personally like microfiber or baby washcloths because those are generally microfiber also. They don't have as much texture on them. So if you are one that likes to wash your face with a washcloth but we don't want to over exfoliate, that is a cheap and easy option for you to remove all of your cleanser when you are washing your face and not be rough with your skin.
Yes.
Okay, you good?
Yes,
Be
I am.
gentle.
Are you good?
I'm good. Can I leave that there?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna pat dry. Do you
Pat
have a
dry?
towel?
Yep.
Okay.
Pat dry.
So we're just gonna pat dry. So we use two different products. There's one product that we're gonna overlap and use the same because we have different skin. Mom, what's your skin like?
So
Dry?
dry.
Dry
Very
skin.
dry. I'm very
dry.
dry.
She's very dry. Mom's always been really dry.
Yes.
Battled with rosacea when you were
Younger.
younger,
Yes.
like post kids. The acne that I have comes more from my dad's side, oily acne, bigger pores, and mine's just changing like hormonally right now. So mom's going in, I'm not gonna go into all the details, but she is using 2 serums from the Circadia line. And first she's doing her emergency eye lift. So she's gonna go ahead and apply that guy.
1 drop is all it takes.
Okay.
1 little drop.
One little drop.
Just around the eyes.
Look how gentle. Oh,
Yes.
chef's kiss. That's
Right
perfect.
here, these fingers.
Ring fingers, yes.
Yes.
All the way under. And see that? Notice that she went up on the lid
Yes.
also, but not down right over top of the eyeball.
Yes.
So, because all that skin gets a little crepey, nasty.
Right.
And then we got another guy too that we're coming in with,
Yes.
right? The Myocyte Plus. So
I want
this
this
guy's
stuff.
awesome. We have sample sizes of this guy. I know the price point's a little bit higher, but notice how little she uses of her
1
product.
drop.
1 drop.
Literally 1 drop.
1 drop. So
That
she's
goes
going in.
everywhere.
Perfect. So we have sample sizes of that if you want to give that guy a try before committing to like the full size that mom's using here. I'm going to go ahead while she's just massaging that into her skin And I am not using a cotton ball or a cotton swab or anything like that. I'm using a secret toner. It is from Face Reality. It's one that we haven't brought in yet, but I have been using it, and so it will be hitting our shelves soon. But it is the Soothing Radiance. And so I'm just gonna press this into the skin. It's great for dry, dehydrated, sensitive, sensitized, but also still acne prone skin. And I wanna make sure that my skin is a little bit damp from my toner. That has cucumber extract in it. That's gonna be great for hydrating the skin. It replaces any lost minerals in the skin. And it's also truly, truly very calming. So it literally smells like cucumber water, which is great, but it's doing good things for my skin at the same time. So you feel ready to go for your next?
I feel good.
Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Iconic Hyaluronic. This is the star of the show today. The Iconic Hyaluronic contains 6 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. Basically, it's reaching all the different layers of the skin. So if you are looking to change things up, Mom's always used a hyaluronic acid serum and always from BioElements, but she used the Moisture times 10 before. So thanks to her girl, Emily, that we work with, got her switched on over to the Iconic Hyaluronic. Moisture times 10 is still available. Iconic Hyaluronic is the new guy. And Emily was like, Candy, I think you're gonna like this better. Was she wrong?
I do. I love it.
Better.
I love it.
All those molecular weights are going to do a lot more for the skin. They're going to reach different levels of the skin. Moisture times 10 also has a dimethicone in there. So it leaves a little bit of like I'd say like more of a velvety kind of feel on the skin. This guy doesn't have any kind of silicone or filler. In fact, too, I don't know if Em told you this, but it's in a glass bottle.
Yes.
So yeah.
It feels heavier. You know,
it is.
It feels so much heavier.
Yes. So my spouse knocked this off and broke this when I'd used it like 3 days. So he got in big trouble and had to get me another one. But this is awesome because this is a fully sustainable product. That's one of the reasons they were going this direction. It's going to keep your product better, fresher, longer. I recommend just 1 pump of this guy. How much have you been using?
1 pump.
That's it. So it looks just like this, 1 pump. If you do 2, I feel like there's way too much.
It's just too much.
Yeah.
And so, yeah.
And then you're like, I can't get it.
You press.
I press and then
press.
blend.
Okay.
And I do this too, like, especially this time of year.
I do that too.
And then I go underneath my eyes like this,
Uh-huh.
just like a little pat with the extra.
Yes.
Side note, if you have really puffy under eyes, you may not want to press that under the eye area, but this is safe for the lips and the neck. What do you think about this compared to your Moisture times 10? What do you think your skin looks like after you put it on?
I felt like the Moisture times 10 compared to this was more kind of like a greasy feel.
Yeah.
But I liked it, don't get me wrong. But I felt like I had to wait longer to put my makeup on.
Yes.
And I feel like I can, put my makeup on faster with this.
Yeah.
I always try to get in my 11s.
That's a good idea.
And then get in these.
Because if we plump those up with more
Marionette
water.
lines.
Well, look at you.
I know stuff. I feel like I went to school with you.
You basically did.
Yeah.
You were like my only client forever.
Yes, I was your test dummy.
Test dummy, only client. I did a lot of things. It was dangerous. She still comes in and lets us do stuff. So we're super glowy and hydrated. I think this one feels like a big drink of water.
Yeah.
On my skin. That's how I've been describing it to my
It
clients.
feels dewy.
Yeah.
But not overly.
But not greasy.
Right.
Yes. So
Right.
you look nice and glowy. You can tell even just throughout this video, our skin is different.
Kind of glowy.
We didn't change the lights. We didn't do anything crazy. So what else? Anything else?
I'm just a huge fan of these 2 products, I have to say.
Circadia for the win.
Yes, and I'm a huge fan of the Iconic Hyaluronic.
Okay.
It's my new thing. And of course, I've always loved Moisture Positive Cleanser.
Tried and true. If it's not broke,
Always.
you don't fix it.
Exactly. I've always loved that.
Yep.
So.
Well, I think that's it. After this, we would just moisturize. So it's evening for us. So we would look at like our evening moisturizer. If it's daytime, moisturize an SPF or use your SPF that has some moisture to it. That's going to it's going to feed that hyaluronic acid, give it some more water. And then you're all set to go. So that's why we're not going to show you the last step. But that is it. Thank you, everybody. It's my mom for joining. So thanks, guys.
Thank you.